Hi, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Alright. So, nandito tayo sa loob ng Philinvest East along Marcos Highway. Okay. So, pakita ko muna yung community. So, ito yung neighborhood dito. Ayan. So, sobrang wide ng road. Okay. So, this is a single attached property. Pasintabi lang. At may mga sinampay po yung caretaker, yung tagapangalaga na itong property. Alright. So, this is your porch area. May access going to our guest room. Then, ito yung ating 2 carport vehicle. Okay. Then, your lanai area with garden. Then, this is your main entry. Right? So, this is your kitchen area. Pakita ko lang yung ating kitchen area, okay? May kasama ng range hood, cooktop, may oven, microwave, okay? Then, yan. May malalaki po kayong sliding door for natural light. Yes. Then, this is your living and dining area, okay? Then, meron tayo dito full toilet and bath. This is sa ground floor. Yeah. This is common toilet and bath, okay? Ito yung guest room kanina, yung may access dun sa garage. Yan. Pwede nyo rin gawing entertainment area, I think. Diba? So, depende sa needs nyo. So, yung pinto na yan, going to our maid's quarter with may sariling toilet and bath, tapos merong service area or dirty kitchen. Okay? So, hindi natin pupuntahan na. Medyo madumi po eh. At nandun din po yung ating caretaker. Okay? So, going here, dito sa ating second floor. Alright, by the way, yung ating lot area is 180 square meter. Yung ating floor area is around 280 square meter. Okay? So, simulan ko lang doon sa may dulo. Yung price pala, as of now, the current price is 22.8 million. Okay? 22.8 million, pero disclaimer lang, pwede pong magbago yan ha. Pwedeng tumaas, pwedeng bumaba. Well, mas maganda kung bababa, diba? Okay, disclaimer lang ha, basta ngayon, 22.8 million po yung price. So, itong bedroom na pinasok ko, may sariling toilet and bath. Okay? Then, yung tatlo dito, may isang common toilet and bath. Then, mamaya yung master's bedroom. Ayan. So, in total, ang bedrooms po dito sa ating second floor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including the master's bedroom. Okay. Tapos dalawa, may sariling toilet and bath. Yung tatlo, may common toilet and bath. Ito na yon. Yan. So, ito yung ating common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Then, proceed tayo dito sa ating master's bedroom. Okay. So, yun yung cabinet niya. Lahat naman po may may mga built-in cabinet. But of course, mas malaki po lagi yung nasa master bedroom. Siyempre, yung space mas malaki rin nasa master. Okay? So, ito yung ating master bedroom. Dito yung ating community. Kita nyo, ang laki ng road. Yan. Pwede pa mag-park sa labas. Aside from our private garage po. So, ito yung kanyang sariling toilet and bath. Yan. Okay. So, if interested, message lang po dito sa aming page. Or, you can send the message directly sa aking mobile or Viber number. It's 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. Alright? That's all. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.